Hello viewers, welcome to Tummy and Cheeks with me Bonita. So today is a very special dish and it's one of the most requested video on my channel and we'll be making delicious chicken biryani. Tummy and Cheeks signature recipe. So for that we'll need these ingredients. 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri Chilli Powder, salt as required, ginger garlic paste 100 grams, curd 100 ml, quarter bunch of mint leaves, quarter bunch of coriander leaves, 5 green chilies slit, whole spices, some cardamom, cloves and cinnamon, 4 onions diced thinly, 4 tomatoes diced small, half a kg of chicken. I'm using rice bran oil close to 200 ml, Basmati rice 500 grams, soaked in water for 20 minutes. So come, let's make this delicious chicken biryani. For that I've taken a large vessel and I'm adding in oil. This is 200 ml of oil. So I'm adding in 4 cinnamon pieces, 5 cloves and 5 cardamom. Once the oil is hot, we'll start adding this. So you'll need a larger vessel which can hold approximately 1 kg of biryani. This is half a kg of rice and half a kg of chicken. So just check the size of the vessel. So I'm adding in the onions. These are 4 medium sized onions. Fry the onions until golden brown. It takes a lot of patience to cook a delicious biryani, so please hold on while the onions are getting brown. So you can see the onions are turning brown. So once the onions have turned golden brown, we'll be adding in the coriander leaves. We'll be frying the coriander leaves for 30 seconds. At this point, if you add the coriander leaves, that gives a good aroma which is retained in the biryani until the end. And then goes in the mint leaves. So fry the mint leaves for 30 seconds. So you can see how beautiful the colors are. There goes in 5 green chilies. You can adjust your spice according to your spice level. We're adding in 2 tablespoons of Kashmiri Chilli Powder. The Kashmiri Chilli Powder here is used to give a very good color to the biryani because we are not going to add any extra artificial coloring agent. So once you add the Kashmiri Chilli Powder in the oil, the color is retained until the end. So that's why you add the Kashmiri Chilli Powder at this point. Then goes in 100 grams of ginger garlic paste. Using freshly ground ginger garlic paste adds a lot of taste to your biryani. So mix it gently and fry till the aroma or the ginger garlic paste smells goes away. So now we are adding in salt. I've taken 1 tablespoon of salt. We'll be checking the salt at the end, so you can add if it's required later. So you can see how the oil is separating so beautifully, and then goes in 100 ml of curd. Just stir the curd for 10 seconds. Curd gives a little bit of sourness to the biryani, so salt, spice and the sourness are very important for a good biryani. So I've taken 4 medium-sized tomatoes. I've diced it small. You can dice it according to your wish. So once the tomatoes turn mushy, then we are good to go. We'll close the lid and cook for 10 minutes. We need to fry it really well until all the raw smell gets away. Now I'm adding in 500 ml of water. This is for the chicken to cook. Close the lid and cook approximately for 10 minutes until you get a boiling consistency. So simultaneously we'll be cooking the rice separately. So for that I've taken a vessel and I'm adding in water. I've taken around 2 liters of water for half kg of rice. I'm adding in 1 tablespoon of salt for the rice. So now you see the water boiling. At this stage we'll be adding in the chicken. So this is 500 grams of chicken which has skin and bones in it. Make sure you choose medium size pieces. Coat the masala in the chicken and then we'll close the lid and cook for another 10 to 15 minutes. So once the water starts boiling, we'll be adding the rice. So the rice should get 25% cooked. That will not take more than 2 to 3 minutes. I'll show you the consistency in which you need to drain the rice. Check for salt and add salt if you need it. The water should taste salty when you taste the water. That's when you get to know the salt is correct. So we'll check if the rice has been cooked. So when you see white lines in the rice, that's when you understand it's 25% cooked and it's time to drain the excess water. Now I've started draining the excess water. We need to reserve the water and keep it aside. We'll be needing this once we start cooking the biryani. So now that our rice is ready, we'll be adding in the rice into the biryani masala. So as you see, the quantity of the rice is more than the water. So now we'll be adding extra water for this. We'll level the rice and the water together. So that'll be our consistency. You need to keep the same level. So we did add any artificial color and you can see that we have got a very beautiful color in the biryani. Now as I told you, we'll need some extra water for the rice to cook. Now I'm adding in close to 150 ml of water. Make sure it's the same level. At this point you need to check for the salt. If you need some extra salt you can add, and then we'll be closing the lid and starting the dum process. So the remaining water I've kept it on top. So you can see that there is steam coming out of the vessel. At this point I left the biryani for close to 10 minutes and our biryani is cooked well. So remove it gently and you can see how beautifully the biryani is cooked. So the rice are separated and it's beautiful. This is how the biryani looks. You can see a little bit of oil, but that will eventually reduce when you mix the biryani thoroughly. So this is how easy it is to prepare a delicious chicken biryani. So next time you get chicken or mutton, you can cook this biryani and enjoy it with your family. So here goes the delicious chicken biryani. It's a very easy and a simple biryani. Please do give it a try and let me know your comments and thoughts on it. So we are finally tasting some biryani. Couldn't resist. So thank you for watching Tummy and Cheek. I hope you liked the recipe. If you did like, then please do let me know your comments and thoughts on the dish. And also subscribe to our channel, share this recipe with your friends and families. Please do check our Instagram page. Our handle is in the description, and also follow us on Facebook. Until then, take care.